Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to install these Kinkistry Kink Nieces 18-inch clip-ins. Keep on watching. So I did custom color these clip-ins. If you did not see that video, I'll link it up above. I am doing this clip-in install with no French braids. I'm doing a half up, half down style. So I'm just putting 2 large plaits or braids in the back, and then I'm just going to bobby pin them up. Installing the clip-ins are super easy. All you do is open up the clips, clip them into your hair, push on the clips to close the clips up, and that is it. They are very secure. You don't have to worry about them slipping out. Just installing the clip-ins one right on top of the other, about an inch or less apart. So because I'm not having any leave out, when I install the last clip, I'm going to install it upside down so that I can just flip it over and none of the tracks will be shown. Now for the top, I'm just going to take 2 of the 1 clip-ins and clip them around the ponytail and then just wrap it around. I am absolutely obsessed with this final look. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.